The internet is a vast ocean of data. Web scraping is like having a fishing net for this ocean. It lets you collect specific data from websites. Think product prices, news articles, or even GitHub profile pictures. Why is this useful? Imagine you're building a platform where developers collaborate. You could use web scraping to automatically populate user profiles with their GitHub pictures. No more placeholder avatars. Web scraping can also be used for research, price monitoring, and more. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to work with online data. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll discuss ethical considerations later on. For now, let's dive into the code. Before we start scraping, let's gather our tools. We'll be using Python, a versatile programming language, along with a few helpful libraries. First, make sure you have Python installed. You can download the latest version from the official Python website. Next, we need a library to fetch the website's HTML content. Requests is a popular choice. You can install it using pip install requests. We'll also be using Beautiful Soup 4 to pass the HTML and extract the data we need. Install it with pip install Beautiful Soup 4. With these tools ready, we're set to start coding. Before we write our script, let's examine how GitHub stores profile pictures. Head over to a GitHub profile page. Right-click the profile picture and select Inspect or Inspect Element, depending on your browser. This opens the developer tools. Within the HTML code, you'll find a tag associated with the profile picture. This tag has a src attribute which contains the URL of the image file. That's our target. Turn to Section 4, Crafting your Python script. Now let's translate our understanding into Python code. Python import requests from bs4 import beautiful soup def, get, GitHub profile, pic, username. Fetches and returns the URL of a GitHub profile picture. Args, username, the GitHub username of the user. Returns the URL of the profile picture or none if not found. URL https github.com username response requests get URL response raise for status hash raise an error for bad status codes soup beautiful soup response.content html.parser profile _pic _tag soup.find img alt avatar if profile _pic _tag return profile pic tags are C else print profile picture URL for username profile _pic URL else print f profile picture not found for username. This script defines a function that takes a GitHub username as input. It fetches the HTML of the user's profile page, passes it using Beautiful Soup, and extracts the profile picture URL from the tag. Section 5, running your script and saving the image. Save the code above as a Python file, for example. Now, open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you saved the file. Run the script using bash python github scraper. The script will print the URL of the profile picture. To download and save the image, add these lines to your script. Python import rlib.request print of profile picture saved as username profile pic.ip. Now, when you run the script, it will also download the image and save it in your current directory. Section 6. Ethical considerations and further exploration. Web scraping can be a powerful tool, but it's essential to use it responsibly. Always respect a website's terms of service and robots.txt file. Avoid making excessive requests that could overload their servers. This tutorial provided a basic introduction to scraping GitHub profile pictures. You can expand upon this knowledge to scrape other types of data from GitHub or other websites. Remember to explore the documentation of the libraries we used, Requests and Beautiful Soup, for more advanced techniques. For the complete code and further examples, visit the project's GitHub repository. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the repository for more exciting web scraping projects.